Awaking the Dead, AI's terrifying power to revive your deceased loved ones. In an age where technology is advancing faster than ever, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of the miraculous and the macabre. Imagine for a moment a world where the departed can be brought back to life through the power of artificial intelligence. It sounds like the plot of a science fiction movie, but the truth is, the line between science fiction and reality is becoming blurrier by the day. We are inching closer to a reality where artificial intelligence has the power to bring back our deceased loved ones with each passing day. In this video, we'll unravel the potential and the perils of using AI to awaken the dead. From mind-bending algorithms to cutting-edge technologies, we'll explore how science is challenging the very fabric of life and death. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end. The concept of AI awakening the dead has been explored in various forms of media, from movies and TV shows to books and video games. For instance, the popular TV series Black Mirror, the video game Soma, and books like Frankenstein have all touched upon this idea in their unique ways. The idea is not as far-fetched as one might think. It is possible to use AI to recreate a person's voice, mannerisms, and even their thoughts. AI can create an algorithm that mimics a person's speech patterns and personality traits by analyzing data from social media posts, videos, and other online content. This technology is known as digital resurrection, and it opens up endless possibilities for bringing back the dead. For instance, the popular AI chatbot Replica uses machine learning to mimic its users' personality and behavior. These digital avatars would have the ability to interact and communicate with us just like a living person. This may seem like something out of a Black Mirror episode, but it's becoming more of a reality every day. What if we could take a step further and create a physical replica of our loved ones? This is where AI-powered robots come into play. Scientists are working on a project called Avatar Project to create lifelike humanoids that can mimic the appearance and behavior of a deceased individual by combining advances in robotics and artificial intelligence. These robots can be programmed to respond to touch, express emotions, and even recreate memories. It is a collaboration between researchers from various institutions, including MIT and the University of Massachusetts Amherst. This project may still be in its early stages, but it raises important ethical questions about the boundaries of life and death. Death is a natural part of life, and the idea of bringing back the dead could potentially disrupt our understanding and acceptance of mortality. The thought of being able to talk to a deceased loved one may bring comfort to some, but it also raises ethical and moral questions. How will this impact the grieving process? Will it bring closure or prolong the pain of loss? Would these digital avatars have rights and legal status, or would they simply be seen as advanced chatbots? The potential applications for such technology are endless. One potential use for AI in reviving the dead is in the field of medicine. AI could potentially recreate a person's physical body, essentially bringing them back to life by analyzing a person's medical history and genetic information through generative adversarial networks, GANs. This could have significant implications for organ donation and transplants, as well as extending the lifespan of individuals. It could also be used in fields such as therapy and education, where having a simulated human experience could be beneficial. There are also many ethical concerns, while the potential benefits of using AI to revive the dead are intriguing. The idea of bringing back the deceased raises questions about consent, privacy, and the sanctity of life. Who has the right to decide if someone should be brought back? Could this technology be used for nefarious purposes, such as creating digital copies of influential figures, or manipulating people's memories as a tool for propaganda or fraud? These are just some of the concerns that need to be addressed before this technology becomes a reality. As we continue to push the boundaries of science and technology, it's crucial to remember the delicate balance between progress and morality. The power to bring back the dead is a heavy responsibility, and it must be approached with caution and careful consideration. For more fascinating and amazing upcoming videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.